Okay, Rhythm, my first question is for you. When is White Revolution, the day which is celebrating the White Revolution, when is it celebrated in India?
On
And I
26th November.
want in full sentences.
The White Revolution is celebrated in India on 26th November.
Right? Okay. Now, any one of you can tell me the meaning of revolution. I had put it up on the group also. On the group. What is the meaning of revolution? Everybody has gone back. Uprising. Another word. Fantastic. All the marks go to Rhythm today. Another word for revolution. Yes.
Turmoil.
Rebellion.
Rebellion. And this rebellion was against what? The White Revolution. What does the word white indicate over here?
Milk.
Wonderful. Also, it was an uprising or a turmoil which was for what? To decrease the supply of milk or to increase?
Increase.
Now, increase. Can you all tell me another synonym for increase?
Ma'am.
High.
Pardon me?
High.
No, okay, to make it high, so it will be what?
Add.
Okay, enhance. What else? High.
Add.
Increase, add. Okay. So how can we put it in a sentence? Add. To hike the increase in milk or to enhance the increase in milk. Here the synonym is fitting. But hike, how will you put? If you help me, you will get the marks. Shall I help you? Hike?
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, Shivanshu.
Ma'am, we were hiking on the mountain.
That is hiking, beta. Okay, that is hiking. Yes, it's a synonym that one that we are going hiking. That means we are traveling by foot on uneasy terrains. Now over here, hike in the supply of milk. So that means
I was saying high. H-I-G-H.
I know. No, Ayush said hike. Ayush, did you say hike? Who said hike? I only said it. Okay. So hike means to increase or to enhance. And now if I say the word high, so how will we use in a sentence?
The higher we are going, the temperature is decreasing.
I want the sentence, the word with reference to a White Revolution. Shivanshu. Here we cannot say generally high because we have to use comparative study that the milk supply should go higher. Have you understood, beta? It was already low or high, so it has gone higher. So it is comparative description of the adjective comparative study higher. Am I clear?
Yes.
White Revolution is all about
milk.
Now, the next very important question.
Increase of milk.
Increase. Yes, it was a revolution that India should be able to sustain themselves the supply of milk. That means we should not go borrowing for milk. Arav, it is all given, in the slides. Just go through. I promise you your English will enhance, increase, improve. Okay, just go through the slide. Whenever you are lying down, please start reading. Now, any one of you, Ayush, darling, I want to see your handsome face. So come on, put on your camera. It's against etiquettes and manners to put off the camera. Today only I was reading on LinkedIn. Okay. Now tell me, the White Revolution is observed to celebrate whose birthday? Who started this?
Dr. Verghese Kurian.
Dr.
Verghese Kurian.
Kurian.
These are very important parts, beta, where we must know about it. So basics you all have come to know about White Revolution. Go through the file to enhance. Yes, beta, we'll just join in again after this.
Ma'am,
Okay, yes.
EN. Ma'am, in the last EN. Korean, EN.
Acha, it's not AN. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It is KURIEN and not AN. It is not Korean, it is Korean. Thank you so much. So have you understood what all about White Revolution? Etiquettes
Yes.
and manners. Arav, I'm waiting for your expression.
Yes,
Etiquettes and
ma'am.
manners, okay. All about optimism and pessimism,
Yes, ma'am.
about problems and solutions. Yes. So now
Yes.
we take a break and we come back with the National Law Day. God bless you all, and I hope your knowledge has increased. Thank you. Take care, and we meet again.